Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in mode when the mid value need to be converted into a continuous series. The first question, calculate the mode of the following data. The mid value are given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and their frequency 5, 8, 20, 10 and 5. Here mid value need to convert it into continuous series. First we find L1 formula is mv minus 1 upon 2 into I. L1 is 10 minus 1 upon 2 into 10. The answer is 5. Now L2, the formula is mid value plus 1 upon 2 into I. That is 10 plus 1 upon 2 into 10. The answer is 15. Like that we find the mid value of 20, 30, 40 and 50. After calculating the mid value, we find that the size of x 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. It is a continuous series and their frequency are 5, 8, 20, 10 and 5. Since the distribution is very regular, therefore mode group of distribution is 25 to 35 by observation method. Now we put the value into the formula, that is formula is L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Here L1 is 25, F1 is 20, F0 is 8, F2 is 10 and I is 10. After calculating the calculation, we find the answer is 30.45 is the mode. Now we see the calculation. Inclusive series will be converted into exclusive series. The questions given, the calculate the mode from the following data. The value is 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and their frequency 5, 7, 11, 5 and 2. Here we can see that the series is inclusive. Here we can calculate the inclusive into the exclusive by minus. In the lower limit we minus 0.5 and in the upper limit we add 0.5. Here we see that 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 and when we add 0.5 in 9, the 9 is 9.5. Like that we convert the inclusive series into the exclusive. 0.5 minus 9.5, 9.5 minus 19.5, 19.5 minus 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5 and their frequency is 5, 7, 11, 5 and 2. We again put the value into the formula. Here L1 is 19.5, F1 is 11, F0 7, F2 is 5 and I is 10. And after calculating the calculation we find the answer mode Z is equal to 23.5. Here is another question when the frequency are given less than the here questions we can see that from the example the income are given less than 100, less than 200, less than 300, less than 400, less than 500, less than 600 and their frequency 20, 28, 48, 60, 65 and 68. The series has been converted into simple frequency distribution. Here income we start 0 to 100 is 20, then we start 100 to 200, that is 28 minus 20, that is 8, 200 to 300, 48 minus 28, that is 20, 300 to 400, 60 minus 48, that is 12, 400 to 500, 65 minus 60 is equal to 5 and 500 to 600, the 68 minus 65, that is 8. Like that we convert the series into simple frequency distribution. Thank you.